And we're off to Florida. We've landed in America. We're here. And here we go, look at this. Ooh. Right, now to find arrivals off to the hotel. At the Drury Hotel in Florida. Room tour before we mess it up. Hello, Sarah.
Hello.
Sarah's going to do the room tour for us today.
Yeah. So here we have an iron and an iron board. There. Hangers. Safe, microwave, fridge, coffee maker. That must be a nice thing. A sink here. This is for someone to do the sink when someone else is in the shower room. Big shower. There's all this in here. This conditioner, shampoo, body wash. And a hairdryer. I've actually brought my own, but yeah. Looking good. And two massive beds. A big telly, a desk, Chris to do his American work, the office, drawers, very nice, and another seat to sit and put your shoes on, and the balcony. We won't talk about that.
Let's see the balcony, let's have a look.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, I don't even know how you get out.
Oh, we won't be using that much anyway. Blue sky, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
I think that just comes off like.
Yeah, but you try and open it up. It's very strong to open it.
Yeah.
Bit of fresh air.
Bloody freezing.
It's not freezing. Dramatic. So you could have your cup of tea out here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a croc down there. Oh, there's two.
Yeah, so be careful if anything falls off the balcony.
Sure, swapping along there. Yeah. Anyway, we're here. Good flight, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, turbulence. We had a lot of that.
There you go. That's the room tour.
Now we're going to go for a free dinner and 3 free alcoholic drinks each. Get that every night.
So there you go. We shall see you later. And we'll talk about the travel day, I think, later on. I'm tired now. See you later, guys. The trick is, you have to guess which one's the lager. Okay?
Yeah.
Out of these 4 drinks. And if you guess correctly, you can have it.
Right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Right.
That one. That's the lager.
Bring photo ID. You've got to have photo ID.